All those affected by the catastrophic earthquake in Venezuela are in our thoughts, and we thank the first responders for helping everyone in harm's way. Apple will be donating to relief efforts on the ground.
The US 500 sweep free, swap free. Two found dead in San Jose State parking garage. Identified. Okay, power outage disrupts Trump's Great American State Fair opening. US military carries out strike again. Okay. The Lincoln Memorial reflecting the police. Not interesting news. That is not even my taste. Is there any ignore button? Yeah, this one I will ignore it. Propaganda news. welcome. Oh, I don't know about this. Scientists give birth clue on heatwave. Okay. Ukraine is spreading an image with a secret soldier army makers and foreign government all. Okay. Former youth pastor accused of pushing wife off cliff in Zion National Park dies after arrest. Hmm. A couple buys house together, woman stunned by what she discovers 6 years later. That was an interesting news. Is that okay? Controversial Trump Religious Library Commission release report. Okay. You strike and again. This should be stopped. This is good news. Okay, this is at least we are getting somewhere. Hmm. Anybody in chat? No. No one is in chat. Chats are sleeping now. I see you. You come to the office, man. We'll go together. Just in plane crash and participating in video city.
Just Diane, plane crashes into CITIC Tower in Beijing, the city's tallest building.
It says never ignore your sixth sense. There is a sixth sense. I know five sense. There's a sixth. What?
Just you and me. Come on!
What is prompt engineering? Resources.
Take the next step.
Whether you choose to customize pre-built apps,
To play this on loop. Now there's no settings.
generative AI systems.
I want him to complete.
Generative AI systems are designed to generate specific outputs based on the quality of provided prompts. Prompt engineering helps generative AI models better comprehend and respond to a wide range of queries, from the simple to the highly technical. The basic rule is that good prompts equal good results. Generative AI, Gen AI, relies on the iterative refinement of different prompt engineering techniques to effectively learn from diverse input data and adapt to minimize biases, confusion, and produce more accurate responses. Prompt engineers play a pivotal role in crafting queries that help generative AI models understand not just the language, but also the nuance and intent behind the query. A high-quality, thorough, and knowledgeable prompt, in turn, influences the quality of AI-generated content, whether it's images, code, data summaries, or text. A thoughtful approach to creating prompts is necessary to bridge the gap between raw queries and meaningful AI-generated responses. By fine-tuning effective prompts, engineers can significantly optimize the quality and relevance of outputs to solve for both the specific and the general. This process reduces the need for manual review and post-generation editing, ultimately saving time and effort in achieving the desired outcomes. Why is prompt engineering important? Prompt engineering is critical because it directly influences the quality, relevance, and accuracy of generative AI outputs. A well-crafted prompt helps ensure that the AI comprehends the user's intent and produces meaningful responses, minimizing the need for extensive post-processing. As Gen AI systems become more widely adopted across industries, a prompt engineering guide serves as the key to unlocking their full potential by bridging the gap between raw queries and actionable outputs. Think beyond the prompts and get the full context. Stay ahead of the latest in industry news, AI tools, and emerging trends. How does prompt engineering work? Generative AI models are built on transformer architectures, which enable them to grasp the intricacies of language and process vast amounts of data through neural networks. AI prompt engineering helps mold the model's output, helping ensure the artificial intelligence responds meaningfully and coherently. Several prompting techniques help ensure that AI models generate helpful responses, including tokenization, model parameter tuning, and top-K sampling. Prompt engineering is proving vital for unleashing the full potential of the foundation models that power generative AI. Foundation models are large language models, LLMs, built on transformer architecture and packed with all the information the generative AI system needs. Generative AI models operate based on natural language processing, NLP, and use natural language inputs to produce complex results. The underlying data science preparations, transformer architectures, and machine learning algorithms enable these models to understand language and then use massive datasets to create text or image outputs. Text-to-image generative AI like DALL-E and Midjourney uses an LLM in concert with Stable Diffusion, a model that excels at generating images from text descriptions. Effective prompt engineering combines technical knowledge with a deep understanding of natural language, vocabulary, and context to produce optimal outputs with few revisions.
Think keynotes.
How enterprises excel in the AI era. Move beyond AI hype to measurable value. See how IBM is transforming into an AI-first enterprise and turning agentic AI into productivity, reinvestment, and real business impact. What are prompt engineering techniques? Prompt engineering techniques Techniques involve strategies to guide generative AI models in producing desired outputs. These techniques include zero-shot prompting, where the model is given a task it hasn't been explicitly trained on, and few-shot prompting, which provides the model with sample outputs to clarify expectations. Another key technique is chain-of-thought prompting, which breaks down complex tasks into step-by-step reasoning to improve the AI's understanding and accuracy. These approaches help ensure that the AI model generates more coherent and relevant responses. What are the benefits of prompt engineering? The primary benefit of prompt engineering is the ability to achieve optimized outputs with minimal post-generation effort. Generative AI outputs can be mixed in quality, often requiring skilled practitioners to review and revise. By crafting precise prompts, prompt engineers help ensure that AI-generated output aligns with the desired goals and criteria, reducing the need for extensive post-processing. It is also the purview of the prompt engineer to understand how to get the best results out of the variety of Gen AI models on the market. For example, writing prompts for OpenAI's GPT-3 or GPT-4 differs from writing prompts for Google Bard. Bard can access information through Google Search, so it can be instructed to integrate more up-to-date information into its results. However, ChatGPT is the better tool for ingesting and summarizing text, as that was its primary design function. Well-crafted prompts guide AI models to create more relevant, accurate, and personalized responses. Because AI systems evolve with use, highly engineered prompts make long-term interactions with AI more efficient and satisfying. Clever prompt engineers working in open-source environments are pushing generative AI to do incredible things not necessarily a part of their initial design scope, and are producing some surprising real-world results. For example, researchers developed a new AI system that can translate language without being trained on a parallel text. Engineers are embedding generative AI in games to engage human players in truly responsive storytelling and even to gain accurate new insights into the astronomical phenomena of black holes. Prompt engineering will become even more critical as generative AI systems grow in scope and complexity. What skills does a prompt engineer need? Large technology organizations are hiring prompt engineers to develop new creative content, answer complex questions, and improve machine translation and NLP tasks. Skills prompt engineers should have include familiarity with large language models, understanding how large language models, LLMs, work, including their capabilities and limitations.
Let me go through this LLM thing. What is LLM? What is LLM? I want this to read loud, okay?
An LLM is a large language model, a type of artificial intelligence trained on massive amounts of text so it can understand language, generate responses, reason through problems, and create content. What an LLM actually is, an LLM, large language model, is a deep learning model built on transformer architecture, trained on huge data sets of text. Because of this training, it can understand natural language, generate human-like text, answer questions, summarize information, write code, translate languages, and reason through multi-step tasks. The IBM page you're viewing also mentions LLMs are foundation models behind generative AI systems like chatbots, text-to-image tools, and coding assistants. Why LLMs matter? LLMs are powerful because they can generalize from patterns in data. That means they don't just memorize, they infer, predict, and create. They're used in chatbots and virtual assistants, software development, healthcare summarization, cybersecurity simulation, creative work writing and content generation, and image generation with diffusion models. The page you're reading highlights how LLMs enable generative AI to produce text, images, and code by understanding context and intent in prompts. How LLMs work, in simple terms. Training, they read billions of words. Learning patterns, they learn grammar, facts, reasoning patterns, and relationships. Prediction, they generate the next word or token based on probability. Refinement, techniques like prompt engineering help guide them to better outputs. Examples of LLMs: GPT-4, Gemini, Claude, LLAMA, IBM's foundation model I mentioned on your page. If you want, I can also explain how LLMs differ from other AI models, or how they relate to prompt engineering, which is exactly what your current tab is about.
Let me ask him, Mike. Okay.
I can write stories and brainstorm ideas. Large language model is a type of AI that's been trained on a massive amount of text so it can understand and generate natural language. It's what powers AI systems like chatbots or content creation.
I still did not understand the LLM part. Could you explain more deeply what exactly LLM is? I think I can't hear. Okay. I still can't more easily. Yeah. Okay, let me tell him to read it.
Sure. Here's the simplest possible explanation. LLM is large language model. Think of an LLM like a super smart text robot. In the easiest words, an LLM is a computer program that learns from a lot of text so it can talk, answer questions, and help you with language. Even simpler. You read books, you learn words. LLM reads millions of books, it learns patterns in language. Then it uses those patterns to reply to you. What it can do: chat with you, explain things, write stories, translate languages, help with homework, write code. One sentence version: an LLM is an AI that understands and generates human language. If you want, I can explain it using an analogy, like LLM is like a super-powered autocomplete, or explain how it works in one paragraph.
Okay, I'm good. And live now, we will start from here. Next segment. Let me start keeping from here.
What is prompt engineering? Resources.
Take the next step.
Whether you choose to... What are prompt engineering techniques?
Yeah, we will start from here for next segment. For now, I'm ending the video. I have to go to office. And that was it for now. I'll be see you soon again. I'll be looking forward to see you soon again. For now, I'm ending the live now.